I just want to say that I had my first meal on this thing. Got a whole lot of dust floating around here. I don't know what's going on there. Got a draft from somewhere. Not sure. What is all that? Little granules of stuff floating around. Oh, something's attracted. It's attracted. The dust is attracted to this. Ah, very interesting. I'll just turn it off. But yeah, I had my first meal on that, and it was absolutely amazing. First time I've used an induction oven. Yeah, so real pleased. Yep. Oh, it's a great little setup. I just fold that up. Eventually fold it there, or maybe put it there. And yeah, I made this little thing today. Just to temporarily hold this. It's got a little, I don't know if you can see under there. Yeah, it's got a little thing there to hold it in place so it doesn't move. Yeah, very happy. Yep, I went to Spotlight as well and I got this. And I'll get more of these sort of things. And there's ones with a little bobble thing, stringy thing hanging down. So yeah, I'll get some blue curtains or something or rather. I was looking at, what do you call them? Blinds, but no, I'll definitely go curtains. Curtains everywhere. And I'll have runners that are really easy to move the curtain back and forth, so I'll be able to swish it back really quickly. So I'll have to spend some time on a sewing machine and make up some curtains. So yeah, anyway, that's all for now.